Hi, I'm Heidi Rue with PartiesForPennies.com, a blog that gives you budget-friendly party ideas and inspiration. And today, I'm going to share with you how to throw a superhero party. I mean, how fun is a superhero party? I'm going to show you everything from invitations to menu to decorations, and it's all part of the superhero party plan that you can find on the link below this video. So let's get started. Every superhero has a story, so myself, along with the artist Jeanette Hall, have developed a unique story just for your party. It stars a villain, Techno Tyrant, along with the superhero Edge, and we need your help because Techno Tyrant is planning to take over the world's computer systems. So it starts off with an invitation that is totally personalizable. And it calls all superheroes, which is your guest, of course, to help Edge defeat Techno Tyrant. Now, as we move on to the party stuff, I've also got a really fun comic, which also doubles as a placemat and a place setting, so you can add the name of the kid to it. And it's a comic strip that's colorable as well. And it talks about Techno Tyrant, how he wants to take over the world's computer systems. Edge is gonna try and stop him, but uh-oh, we've got the bionic bite coming his way. So we need to train our guest to be superheroes and to defeat Techno Tyrant. So when your guests come over, you can add this screensaver to all the computers in your house and tell your guests that Techno Tyrant has already started to take over your computers. So the time is now. They really need help to defeat Techno Tyrant. Now, once you've explained about Techno Tyrant, you can start on the obstacles to help train the kids to take over Techno. Now, the list of all the obstacles and the details are all part of the superhero party plan. You can find the link below. One of those obstacles include some spider web or silly string. Now you can create your own by just purchasing a bottle of silly string. I added some black paper around it just because I wanted kind of a solid background. And then you just print off this spider web printable, part of the superhero party plan, wrap it around the can, add some double-sided tape, and there you go. It's also a great and budget-friendly party favor. Now, another great favor for this party that you can add on top of the spider web is a DIY cape. This is really easy to make. All I did was I got some flannel from a craft store. I cut it about 18 by 18 inches. Of course, that's going to depend on the size of your child. I cut some slits in the top, added some ribbon through it, and then I added the name of the birthday boy, Wallace, to the back using these felt letters that have adhesive in the back. So you just peel it off, put it on, you're done. So very simple and easy party favor. Now let's talk about the menu for your superhero party. I kept it really simple. Hot dogs, mac and cheese. You can do potato chips and then some soda or a fruit juice box. For dessert, I did a whole candy buffet with a lot of fun colored candies. Now, if you're wanting to know the best places to buy bulk candy, I've got a link below this video. I did a whole post about it, so you can find all the details there. I also just took a regular cake from my local grocery bakery. Just a white cake, and then I added blue sixlets all around it to create a fun design. And then I topped it with Techno Tyrant and Edge. This is part of the superhero party plan, so I just cut them out of cardstock. I topped it on the cake. There you go. Super simple. Now for decorations, I had a really fun backdrop that was personalized, so it said Happy Birthday Wallace, and that's part of the superhero party plan. So you can just add your child's name to it, send it off to Vistaprint, which was what I did. I spent about 30 bucks, and then they sent me the backdrop. Simple as that. And then just go with some fun colors. You know, if you want to add these fun little superhero signs to the candy like I did, all that, again, included in the superhero party plan. I think you're getting the idea. All that you need to create your own superhero party is part of the plan. I've even got a shopping list for you. So if you want that, click on the link below this video. And as always, superheroes, party on.